Hello everyone, this is the Mindful Millennial YouTube channel where we share tips and wisdom to intentional living. Today I'm going to show you how I organize my closet with a Notion database. Notion is a free productivity and note-taking web application. It also has a phone app. I use it quite a bit to organize my tasks, projects, books, and closet. So first, I'm going to show you how I normally log an item into my Notion closet. I bought these very cute tops from Aritzia a few days ago. Before I forget, I'll come into my Notion closet, find the right category, scroll, and then top, and add a new card. I set the card property to include purchase date, brand, color, style, size, cost, and rating, and a check mark if it's a second-hand purchase. Now, none of these properties are mandatory, and I'll pick and choose to see what suits the entry. After all of that, I may or may not leave a comment why I purchased this item, or if there's any interesting stories behind the purchase, I'll note it. The last step is to include a cover picture. I usually search for the item online and just copy the URL, but if it's a non-branded item or thrifted item, I'll snap a picture and upload it. Ta-da! Here you go. I organize my closet by category and only display a few properties on the card preview you see here. This is a living closet and really easy to manage. I go in from time to time to change the rating and style of my items based on my experience with them. And if something keeps staying in a low rating, I will move them to the declutter category at the very bottom and eventually purge them out. As you can see, this is a really lean and easy way to manage your belongings, and then you can play with the filters to pick an outfit quickly without going through your physical closet. This template is very versatile. You can leverage to organize your stationery, cookware, whatever collections you have. Please let me know in a comment if you're interested to build something like this in Notion from scratch, and I can make another video to show you from scratch. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned and be intentional.